Shalom, 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 and welcome to Cooking with Bereshit 129. I'm your chef, Erica, and today we are going to make some baked chicken, and I'm going to be using some oyster mushrooms, some flour, some milk, some breadcrumbs, pepper, garlic powder, and some salt. So let's get to it, shall we? Now, one of the things that you want to do when you're cooking is make sure that you mix all of your dry ingredients first. So we put in our pepper, our salt, all of that. You want to give it a good mix like this. And make sure that you wash your oyster mushrooms so that all of the dirt and everything is off of them. So mix this up to where it looks like that. Alright. And we're going to slowly mix in the milk. Mix and mix and mix and mix and mix. Till it's all like that. We'll add a little bit more liquid to it. I think we will. We'll just add a little bit more. You want it not too thick, but not too wet at the same time. So you want to be able to put your oyster mushrooms in it. Just like that. And we'll show you right after this. Right back. So now that we're back, we have, looks like that. Just went and got me a spoon because that wasn't working, and I mixed it to where it was less quantity. So then put in our oyster mushrooms into the batter. Mix it around. Make sure you get it on both sides to where it's like this. Then you're gonna put it in the breadcrumbs. Just like that. So she looks like this. Yummy. So, put it here. And you just keep going until you get it all the way filled up. So we'll be back once we got them filled up. So we have our chicken pieces. See? They're breaded up, looking all nice and cute. I'm gonna put a little salt and pepper on top. We're gonna put these on 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. And we'll be back to start making our tacos and our other dish that we're gonna make these a multi-facet meal today. So we'll see you soon. Shalom. Hello and welcome back. So we've got two taste testers to test out our meals. So we've got this one, which is the fried chicken with the French fries. And then we have this lovely taco. Both of these were made with the oyster mushrooms. See how versatile you can make it? You can make a taco, or you can make French fries and chicken. So why don't y'all go ahead and take a taste. Don't be shy. Hear that crunch?
Sweet. Good.
He said it's sweet and it's good. Well, there you have it. Make sure you do what? Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on another episode of Bereshit 129. I don't think Malia's gonna put that down. Chef Mary said it's too good. Talk to y'all later. Shalom.